Okay, now Dad is gonna shoot a bit. After I shot a bit. There's the ball. He's going. Let me just zoom in. Hey, Dad, where do you zoom in? Again. Can you tell me? Not there. Oh, okay. Sorry, everybody. No quality. I should have figured this out before, but who cares? Right? It's a special day, you know, for more stats. Not right now for you guys. Hey, can you tell me where you zoom in, please?
Huh?
Can you tell me where you zoom in?
Hey, vent on.
Here's one of these.
No.
Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay, as you see, it just zoomed a bit in. He hit it. Oh, now it's rolling back down. How you feel? Okay, you see. Concentrate with. I'm just gonna find the ball again. There it is. Hit it. Let's hope it doesn't roll back again. Listen, I'm the cameraman because you know I took that break. Up hit. Let's hope it doesn't fall down. Almost 2 minutes. Video's on. Okay, it's 2 minutes. Miss. See? Look, we're shooting back. Last time he shot, it went all the way back there. But he used a pistol. Oh, no. We are not to use pistols. It says handguns. Whatever. Handguns. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no, now he's bringing out his pistol. It's gonna be loud, so. Oh my gosh, that's loud. What do you think? Cannot hit. Can't hit the target. Sorry about the loud noise. You just can't hit the target. He's using a pistol. Sorry about the loud noise, everybody. Can you keep it down a bit? Oh, good. As you can see, I think I'm gonna go back for my break.